Welcome to my channel. How to update your Netgear extender firmware. Connect your home router to the Wi-Fi extender via an Ethernet cable. For this, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the extender while another end to the Ethernet port of your router. Access a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Explorer or Safari on your PC or laptop. Now, go to the website and enter the model number of your Netgear range extender. After that, you will see a list of available firmware version for your particular extender. Download the latest firmware for your Wi-Fi range extender by hitting the download button. Save this firmware file on your computer so that it can be easily accessed later. Thereafter, launch a new browser window and head over to MiWiFi's web page. A login window will appear. It prompts you to input the username and password. Use the default login details here and click on the login button. In case you come across any issue during the extender login, immediately contact the experts and get your issue resolved in the least possible time. Once logged in, click on the firmware update option. Now, browse to the downloaded firmware file and upload it. The process of Netgear extender firmware update will start on the same page. Thanks for watching.